Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
State President ka BJP Meghalaya Rikman G Momin henekasngi haba kinong thok khobor kilabu jingkeli halor ka ILP ula Kyntait ban Kren halor ka ne Shaphang ula ban rapru da ka bachuong bakin ya katkum ka jingkwa jangkipat ba ula ong ru bakilaya Kren ya ka ne bat ka senta na kalyang uba one kit bok poshna haba kem ktin ban jubab ya ka ne ula ong ba ka yeng dorbar thawan ka jela kala menjer ya ka resolution Bat pha yaka shaka sorgar kami minta ka shong haka kumno kanle.
But ILP can tell us what is the mind of the BJP.
No, that also I will not.
Then no
Is
mind.
BJP shying away from implementing ILP?
No. We are not saying. We will go according to the local and we'll work according to the local, how with the local demands.
The local demand is that one only.
What is the meaning of that local demands?
Local in the sense from the state.
The
From our
is the-
state.
Do you think that as a BJP party, I'm asking.
I'm not
a question.
talking-
No, I'm just want to know that. Do you think that ILPs can implement in the Meghalaya state? Is it possible as per the rules regulation?
See, I am not in the chain
If you go
of
to-
implement that,
go to
so
the-
I can't.
From your side, from the state party leadership side, have you taken up the matter with the center? What was the response of the center?
Yes, we have already taken up the matter.
See, the State Assembly has already passed a resolution and we are just following up on that. So ultimately the prerogative would remain with the central government to decide as and when. But as of now, from the party, we have no say on it.
But it is said that the center is mum on the issue. Center is
I have no idea
not.
about that. We haven't got such.
So there is no talking about anything about that for the ILP.
I think
They are
government
just
level
saying
talks.
that some excuse.
Acha, one more thing.